Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring power stability. Plug in the adapter and keep battery above 10% so brightness changes apply reliably. Once done, check whether your keyboard uses FN plus brightness keys, you need those for laptops, or if the monitor has front panel controls for desktops. Now open Start, go to Control Panel, then Display. Make sure you can access settings or power options. This initial access matters because Windows XP stores brightness adjustments either with the graphics driver or in the power profile, so you must reach the right panel first. You should next explore the graphics driver controls, open Display Properties, click Settings, then Advanced and look for Adapter or Monitor tabs. If a vendor utility appears, Intel, ATI, NVIDIA use it, because those tools expose hardware brightness and contrast with more precision and preserve settings across reboots. Make sure to update the driver if you cannot find a brightness slider. Outdated drivers often remove controls. If updating, restart and reopen the same panels, since the driver reload will restore proper brightness options and make adjustments effective. Finish by saving your settings. Open Power Options, pick or create a profile, and set brightness levels for both AC and battery so you avoid dim surprises. If software controls fail, adjust the physical monitor buttons for a hardware level change. This bypasses drivers. If problems persist, reinstall the graphics driver, check for brightness settings in BIOS, and reboot. These steps resolve most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the screen stays dim, test with an external monitor to isolate whether it's the LCD backlight or a software/driver problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.